Hello everyone, this is Fai. Today I will be doing a unique makeup tutorial inspired by Everglow Yiren look in their newest music video. Hope you guys enjoyed and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply foundation all over my face. And then I'm going to cover up my shadows with a cream concealer and blend it out by using a makeup blender. Since I'm gonna stick some jewels on this area, I apply the concealer a little bit more. Next, for the eyebrows, I'm gonna draw my eyebrows with a light brown eyebrow pencil and just make the eyebrow look soft and natural. And then I'm gonna apply a light brown eyebrow mascara on top of it to lighten the brows color. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose and my face. Yiren has a small face, so I'm gonna try to make my face look smaller. Even though, as you guys can see, I can't really cover my chubby cheeks. For the eyes, I'm gonna start with a light orange color as the base eyeshadow applied onto the 2/3 of upper lid and lower lid around here. And then I'm gonna apply a slightly dark orange color on top of it. Next, I'm gonna mix two purple colors and apply it onto the 1/3 of lower lid just around the other corner, and bring it upwards to the V and blend it evenly. Next, I'm gonna apply a shimmer orangey pink color eyeshadow onto my upper lid to give a little bit sparkle. And then I'm gonna apply a guava pink glitter eyeliner onto the eyelash. And light pink glitter eyeliner on top of the purple eyeshadow and blend it gently. Next, I'm gonna line my waterline with a brown pencil liner to make my eyes look a little bit smaller. Since Yiren eye makeup has a thin eyeliner, I'm gonna apply the falsies first. And then I'm gonna draw the eyeliner afterwards to make the line look thinner. And then apply the mascara. Next, I'm gonna apply a little bit blusher to give the cheeks a little bit of color so the face won't look that pale. Now I'm gonna apply the jewels onto my cheeks. It's gonna take a while to do this actually. It looked a little bit different because I don't have the exact same shade jewels and I just use whatever I have. Last, I'm gonna apply light pink lip tint all over my lips. And apparently Yiren wore a metallic lip color and I don't have it, so I will just put a soft glitter on top of it to create a effect. And makeup is done. This is the finished look. What do you think about this makeup look? Let me know in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe because your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. Bye!